sample. I'm going to make sure I'm on, this is for strontium, so I'm going to be on channel 3, input mass 88. Make sure I've got high voltage. Make sure my filaments are good. I'm on location 6, which is what I need to be. Now I'm going to heat up the Ioni 3200 milliamps. Check and make sure my magazine's aligned. Looks good. Make sure the valve's open. Looks good. Now I'm going to heat up the evaporation filament. I've got a signal of strontium 88, 400 millivolts. Keep turning it up. I'm about 1500 milliamps. It's pretty low. I've got too big of a signal now. I'm over 12 volts. There we go. Try and get a reasonably stable beam. And I'm going to check the lens focus for gross changes, and I'm just going to spin it while keeping my eye on the current. And that looks to be a good spot. Put it in manual mode so the chart recorder doesn't bounce around, and turn it up again. My signal's died off quite a bit, which at this temperature at about 1800 milliamps is normal. As I'm turning it up, my beam is getting more and more stable. Now I've got a 3-volt beam, and it's growing in. So I'm going to have to turn it down. I'm going to check my magazine focus. Looks good. Check the lens again. Alternating. Getting a bigger beam. Check the Z. Check the shield. Looks good. Check my peak shape. Looks good. I've got a 5, I'm going to turn it up a little bit. I've got a 5.5 volt beam. I'm going to start the analysis. Return main keys, acquisition, single acquisition, strontium experiment 1, SRM 987, today is the 23rd, the file name 082314/C, location 6, save the table, edit end, top of form no.